Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a pack of wings as generator parts for MV by Spectro W94. Next, we have 3 new MV plugins by Ophelia Enigma. A plugin that recovers a percentage of HP, TP, and MP on level up. A plugin that allows players to always successfully escape every battle that allows escaping. And a plugin that highlights and selects menu choices on mouse hover. Moving on to MZ plugins, we have a plugin by NZ Prism that displays actor pictures on messages automatically. A plugin by Ichiro Mekin that can open specific menu scenes directly with plugin command, so you can directly open a particular category of items or directly open the skill window of a specific actor. Next, we have a series of MZ plugins by Grey Ogre. These include a plugin for teleporting, a plugin for Common Event Shop, where you buy and run common events with money, a plugin that displays a picture in the description of skills and items, a plugin that saves a game file with screenshot, a plugin that combines multiple walking sprites and displays them as one, a plugin that stops player movement with a switch, allowing only touch input, a plugin that gives a pop-up when player picks up a dropped item, and a few more plugins. Lastly, we have a tile set of an operating table and some custom candles by Secret Sigil. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.